scared me. Oh, you were over there. Oh, wow. Milk. There it is. There you go.
Okay, 12.17.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. Get out! Look at this, guys. This is the actual mill. Bro, like every single opening is boarded up. Like, why would they even board up the top? Like, who would even go in there? No, like even the roof, on the roof is... No. Wasn't it one of these?
Yeah, it was. Wait, it wasn't ready because it's fucking weekend.
Shoot. Oh, dude.
Yeah, but then there's another one right there.
And we'll go in here. We gotta go through there. There's no camera. Yeah, it's just a light. This is log. When was that there? Dude, I won't fit. Oh. Well, that's what's down there. Yo. Look at this, guys. Well, that was basically it, guys. There's nothing. It was just like a couple pipes. This tunnel goes through in there, and then there's like, you know that light. There's like couple machinery that goes to the mill. There's nothing really cool in there.